How to become a Shutterstock contributor Part 1. How do I sign up to become a Shutterstock contributor? Becoming a contributor at Shutterstock is simple. Register in a few easy steps, then start submitting content. To sign up for a Shutterstock contributor account, register at submit.shutterstock.com. This is the site made specifically for our contributors. Our customers use shutterstock.com. Step 1. Provide basic information. On the first page, enter your full name, display name, and email address. Your full name should match your legal name or your business name if you are registering as a business. Your display name is what customers will see. Your email address is where we will contact you. When you press Next, we will send you an email to verify that the email address you provided is valid. Follow the instructions in the email. Step 2. Add your address. Enter your residential address and your mailing address. If it is different, address information should be entered in English only, no accented letters or special characters like O, I die erisis, E please. That's it, you're done. You can now explore your account dashboard, and start uploading your content. Submit your work. To become an active Shutterstock contributor, you will initially need to submit a few of your best photos, JPEG or apps illustrations, or a few video clips for your first submission. The content you submit will be reviewed by our expert team of reviewers. When your first piece of content is approved, your account becomes fully active and you can submit any type of files without limitation. Please keep in mind that you may only upload work that is owned or fully controlled by you. Next video, how do I submit photos for review? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this one.